Hey there, Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property Group, and today we are doing a model tour of the Richmond floor plan. The Richmond by Lennar is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home, right around 2,700 square foot. You get the 3-car garage. Let's walk inside and take a tour of this layout here. So as you enter the Richmond here, notice you've got this long hallway, but there's lots to talk about off this long entry hallway. Right towards the left here, you're going to have your first guest bedroom here. And this guest bedroom also ties in to the guest bath here with the dual sinks, and then opposite that you have your traditional tub and shower combination with your commode here, and you can see that ties into that bedroom there, which we'll get to here in a second. So coming back out into the main hallway area, here you'll see the entry to that bedroom here. Now coming back out to the main hallway here, on the left side you've got this area here which can be used as an additional den or maybe even a formal dining space. And directly behind me you'll have access to another guest bedroom. This right here is your entry to your 3-car garage, and you've got a nice little landing station here. And then a little further down the hallway, you have another guest bath here with the traditional tub and shower combination with your singular sink and the commode. And then here's your other guest bedroom here. Now, right off of this guest bedroom area, you'll also notice the laundry space here with full-size washer and dryer and plenty of room. There is a door heading out this way. We're going to show you what that is here momentarily. Now coming back out towards this den or flex area, we enter into the kitchen space. So you've got a nice little area here for additional storage and this huge walk-in style pantry. And this opens up right into your main kitchen, your eating kitchen area, and overlooks your great room space here. Now, last but not least, on the interior here, we have the master bedroom, which is directly past the great room area. So really nice size master bedroom. And this takes us into the master bath here with the dual sinks, that huge shower there, your enclosed water closet, and then you've got your clothes closet and a linen closet here. But what's unique about this layout here is when you go through your clothes closet, this connects right to that laundry room space here. So very easy to deal with, taking off your clothes at the shower and just toss them right into your hamper in the laundry space. Last but not least, we have the exterior living here on the Richmond floor plan. So on the Richmond, you have a nice lanai under truss here. And were you to have a pool, your pool would be located right past the screen-in area as you see there. All right, folks, so if the Richmond floor plan is for you, you can reach us at all of the contact information below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto, and we appreciate you watching.